Right, you're most welcome to this video. My name is Mubiru, and I'm the one going to be taking you through this video. In this video, I want us to look at how to insert equations, basically how to deal with mathematical formulae in our Microsoft Office Word. Yes, very many people face this as a challenge. Maybe they are secretaries somewhere, maybe they are trying to set their exams, maybe they are trying to do whatever, and then they are given maybe things to type and they are a bit mathematical. Maybe they are doing their physics. Yes, Microsoft Office Word gives us a very easy way of doing this, and in this video I want us to go through it. So yes, it is not just a matter of typing whatever you feel like, no, because you'll find problems in typing maybe 2 out of 3, and some other people will do it like that. Yet there is a more beautiful way of doing it, and this is what I want to take you through. Yes, as I've said, Microsoft Office Word gives us a very beautiful way of doing it. Now, how do I do it? One thing, make sure your cursor is where you want your equation to appear. Come to the insert, move your pointer to equation. Then I click on the drop down equation. You see that it has some sample kind of equations that you can even start with. In case you need this, you can just come and click on it. Yes, there is this of insert new equation where it gives you provision of doing it. Let me repeat a bit for the people who may have not seen it. I've said you come, put your cursor where you want it to be, come to the insert ribbon or the insert tab, and then click on the equation feature. It has some inbuilt or some pre-designed equations that you can choose in case they suit what you want. However, if they don't, you can come and click on insert new equation, and your equation will appear, or a box will appear for you to type. One thing you should never forget, I said whenever you insert any feature on the insert tab, it will open some additional tab or tabs. Like now we have inserted equations and it has opened for us this equations kind of tab, which has very many features that deal with equations. Now if you look, it has this equation option. Still it takes us back to the other inbuilt kind of equations. It has this Unicode convert. I won't go so much into this, however it has these symbols. I'm sure all the mathematical symbols that we may think of are embedded therein, and we can just choose and even click on this to display more or to display all of them. Then it has this fraction where you can choose any fraction that you feel like, even the y dx. These are all here, small change in y, small change in x, they are all here. The scripts, if you want to deal with the powers, they are all here. The radical, if you want to deal with the things to do with the square roots and roots, yes, the integral part, and very many others. The matrices are all here, and very many other things that you may think of. So now, for example, I'll type some dummy kind of thing. I can start with putting my equal signs there. Then I can even leave space. I come and type A. Maybe let me load the on-screen keyboard. Yeah, let me load the on-screen keyboard such that I type what everyone is seeing. Okay, so maybe let me try to make it a bit small. Yeah, just like that. Alright, so I have this. I have equal sign. I'll come and say A, maybe sign. Now we are taking some kind of math. A sine 2. Now I'm looking for this pi. Yes, the pi. I may want to type S sine 2 pi. Yes, you can come and look into the symbols. I'm sure the pi is here. A sine 2 pi. Now what happens? I want to open a bracket. Yes, I want to put a bracket. So I'll come. I start with coming. I try to look for my brackets here. Come and look at the bracket. Yes, you can choose any bracket that you feel like. Here, I think that one will work best for me. So after inserting a bracket, I come, it will give me some provision for me to type. So I come and click into it. And what will happen, I now want to insert maybe a fraction. I'll come and say this. I choose this kind of fraction. I'd be like, yeah, I want to put here maybe some other sign, whichever sign you may feel like. Maybe I want to put there y as my kind of unknown, y, divide by 0.1, yes, like that. Then I may want to put a subtraction. I'd be like minus, yes, I may want to add some other kind of equation, yes, some other fraction, x divided by 0.2. Yeah, and I think I've really done well with this kind of thing. It is there, it looks a bit more beautiful. Let me try to insert another kind of function, another kind of equation. Yes, I can come and insert a new equation. Maybe I can say equal sign, yeah, maybe I can say x squared. Yeah, I may want to put x cubed, so I can come and say, okay, maybe let me start with a bracket. Yeah, I may want to put this, and I come here and put, now I want to put maybe something. Okay, yeah, let me start with, let me remove this. I may want to put x squared, then all put into another power of a square. So what do? I start with knowing that I want a square kind of thing, so I'll put a script here, and I'll be like, yeah, I want that. So here I want to have a 2, a square there, but again I want to put a bracket, so I come and be like, yeah, I need a bracket here, and in this I still need another kind of power, so I'll be like, yeah, that is that. I put my 2 there, and I put my x here. So that is how x squared, all squared still. I can put a power, I subtract like that, then x, maybe power 3, yeah, still I need a power here, x power 3, yeah, like that, x power 3, yeah, maybe I can put here that maybe 13 is equal to that. Yeah, and maybe I need to solve that. So I believe that has worked well for me. What other thing do I need to look at? Maybe I can still insert another one. Maybe I want to deal with radials. Maybe let me type x. Yeah, my x is equal to, yeah, I now need a fraction. Yeah, I can set that. I can be like plus or minus. This symbol is here, plus or minus. No. Yeah. Okay, x is equal to negative b. You can come and be like, yeah, let me look for a negative. Let's say negative b. Come and look into this. Okay. Negative b. Okay. Plus or minus. Now I need the root. Plus or minus root of, yes, yeah, I now need a square root of, okay, b plus or minus root of b squared, yes, b squared. I can say minus, yes, I can say minus 4ac. Yeah, maybe that out of, yeah, divided by 2a. Yeah, and I've typed my function quite well. I think that is the bulldozer method that people use in math. Right, thank you for watching. I'm sure you have learned a lot about functions. One thing I'll advise you to do is go into practicing as much as you can. Practice with very many other symbols, very many other mathematical functions, and all will be good. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. I'm Lawrence Mubiru. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and comment. More will be coming soon. Thank you.